Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Sanchit Rodej and I'm working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and here I present day 3rd of July Leetcode Challenge. The problem that we have in today is wiggle sequence. It's a medium level question on Leetcode and I also feel the same. For all those who have been associated with the channel, however, would believe that this is an easy question. Why? Because we have already solved this problem in the month of March 2021. The like says it all, it's close to 96. If you go and check out the comments, then you will see that everyone has stated positive feedback about the above video. I have clearly explained the algorithm. The time complexity of this approach happens to be order of n, and I have used two-pointer technique along with array manipulation to come up with the algorithm. I'm attaching its link in the description below, so do check this out. And what do you don't need to forget? Coding Decoded SD revision sheet. So if you go and check out Coding Decoded GitHub repo, then you will see there is a folder named SD revision sheet where I have listed all the important topics that are asked in interviews. Yesterday I added linked lists and trees to this playlist, and if you check out them, then you will find the most crucial questions that are asked from interviews perspective have been highlighted with double asterisk sign. If you are unable to solve any of the questions, then the video solutions are also provided along with them. And what you need to do, you need to try out these questions in the increasing order of difficulty, starting from easy, medium and hard. So over to you guys, the hard work is all yours. I can only be the catalyst, and I promise once you'll go through these sheets, these concepts will be on your tips. With this, let's wrap up today's session. I hope you'll enjoy these sheets as well as the video. So over to you. Thank you so much.